County, Illinois, northeastern Hope County, Illinois, southern Saline County, Illinois, Gallatin County, Illinois,
shit.
northwestern Crittenden County, Kentucky, northern Livingston County, Kentucky, southwestern Union County. At 11:29 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Dixon Springs to near Verna, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include the
National Weather Service has issued tornado warning for the following counties or areas: Breckenridge, Hancock, Ohio, Kentucky, at 12:25 p.m. on March 3rd, 2023, effective until 1:10 p.m.
Locations impacted include Harrisburg, El Dorado, Sturgis, Shawneetown, Rose Claire, Ridgeway, Golconda, Equality, Joy, New Haven, Cave and Rock, Elizabethtown, Omaha, Old Shawneetown, Junction, Eddyville, Carsville, Carver Ridge and Groves. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Harding, Hope and Saline, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden,